Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we will solve a next SQL problem, which is based on article waves. So first, we will understand everything about this question and what is the question asking to me and what is the query that we should return. So before proceeding to writing a query, we have to follow every instruction that are given in this equation. So we will read everything with you. So sit down and just watch this video, and in the end of video, we'll learn everything about this question and what is the key point that we should understand that for that we never make a mistake in further questions and uh, further videos. So uh, let's do. So this is the question that is asking article with. Basically, I will give a brief introduction about of this question. So this question is about that how many authors that are giving their own article. So this is the summary of the question. So if you read this question, all is mentioned in there. There is no primary key for this table. The table may have duplicate rows, like table has a duplicate row, and each row of the table indicate that some viewer based on articles written by same authors on the same date. So basically, they are saying that some viewers are with their own articles, like they written their articles and they waived on those dates, and they with their specific date. So note that equal author ID and viewer ID indicate that same person. Like if you match this equal ID and viewer ID, if you found that these are equal, so this indicate that they are same person. So write a solution to find all authors that visit at least one of their own articles. So we have to write a query that so that they visited their own articles at a one time, at least one time. Return the result table sorted by ID in ascending order. So we have to sort it in ascending order, like you can see in output section, like 4, 7 that are coming before 7, 4 are coming. So this is the sorted order in descending order. No, no, sorry, in ascending order. So let's that and write a SQL query. What is the question requirement? So first they say that write a solution to find authors. So we need to write select because they are asking about author ID as ID because ID is mentioned in the output. So we will mention it as ID in output label. From table name is views, and here we will write a filter condition that are asking and their conditions which are given in the questions. So result format in any order and write a solution to find authors. So now you can see that I have write this SQL query. So now we will explain that how we wrote. So basically we select distinct author ID because we want a unique author ID which should return because the table have duplicate, so it will return as a multiple times. So we want distinct author ID as ID for these, and condition is that author ID. If author ID is equal to viewer ID, that requirement satisfied. Like you can see here is the right solution to find the author that feeds at least own their articles, like they written by author ID and their viewer ID. If author ID same with viewer ID, it shows that they shown their own articles. So we have written this condition, and the question is asking about the sorted in ascending order. So we have order by ID in ascending, and now we can see. Let's submit this. So now you can see that query has been successfully submitted, and the bid percent is 71.6%. We have right SQL query better than 71% people. So it's totally good query, but yeah, we have to analyze all query that are written from other candidates who written better than me, who write better than me. So I think yeah, logic is very similar to all the kinds of query. But yeah, the one thing is different. Wrote this query in different lines and different format, but yeah, logic is totally similar. So that's why getting small changes in time. So it's not a problem, and it will work well. If you if you are work on large query and difficult query, that will give a different kind of time. So we should consider on those query. But yeah, this query is successfully run and compiled. So that was the question, and we have solved them. So thank you for watching these videos and keep supporting me. And I will upload one by one every SQL questions in this playlist. So just sit down and watch this video for making a good SQL command. Okay, so thank you.